we're gonna start almost right away. I'm just gonna do a little talking. This is practically the idea of how the cookie is gonna look. Here it is. Yeah, it's gonna be very fun. No background music, by the way. So I hope you're ready for waiting for 2 hours, doing absolutely nothing but watching me make bad dad jokes. Oh, that's sick. Your voice sounds so kind. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I gotta start making the parts. I'm just gonna kind of sketch them out right now because by the way, be careful when working with the knife. Don't fucking do that. It's just how I do it. And by the way, the bad side is here, as in the side that is actually really that cuts shit. English is not my first language. I don't know how to speak. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, no, I'm gonna be folding like this. Basically, it's gonna be like this. This is the head. Bonk cookies? What is bonk? I know bonk. Fucking change that! Like, I've rewatched the video. Not rewatched. I started watching the video, but like Schlatt doing the whole city skylines, but like in Russian language. You know, the game was fully translated in Russian, except the voice or like the voices. So he's like, he sees a wolf, and he's like, oh, that's a boink, of course. Oh, this is a bear. Oh, it's a me beam. It was so fucking funny. I adored it. Yeah, I think this is. Okay, now it's time to put the Frankenstein together. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. We're gonna put the whole thing together.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
No, this is with accent. I keep speaking with accent.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
Okay, like this. The snoot. Oh my god, that's Technoblade! That's the Technobloke everybody's talking about. Is that the guy I'm hearing about? The crown, right, the crown is gonna be here. A very happy pig boy. A very happy pig boy. Just twice. Oh my god, it looks so cute! It looks very cute and I love it! Okay, the two buttons are here and the string is gonna be here, like this. It's gonna be overcrossing the string. Yeah, those have to be smaller, so I'm gonna cut them out like this, like tear them apart, and like put them here. It's not the final version. I'm just making sure that it lines up perfectly. Like then it's like this guy and this guy. They go here as eyes. Right, and here should be two holes. Oh my god, do you see that? See that? You see this? It's so cute! And now I can connect this. Fuck, I should have disconnected everything. I should have disconnected everything first. Okay. Okay. Just for your convenience, I'll do this.
Abel is coming for you, Technoblade. You are done for.
Okay. Oh, goddamn. Okay, here it goes. Oh my god, are you ready, guys? This is really weird. Ooh, I think I'm basically becoming German now. I remember you were like saying, okay, I'm putting him in. Like saying, we found out, so it's weak side, weak point, it's money. And yes, it is. Okay, Techno is in the oven. He's burning. He's gonna die, probably. And you're gonna witness this whole thing. Yeah, thanks. Guys, come on, just pity laugh. I remember Aaron saying this, like, Dan, dude, come on, just a pity laugh. And I remember how funny it was. Have you seen Game Grumps? It's so funny. Oh, on days like this. Hey, I'm Sans. Sans Undertale. Look at him. He's becoming sentient. Not really, but he becomes thick. Thick. Yeah, that's great. You're alright, Techno? You're not dying? Do you want to go there? I'm gonna give you a free trial. All of you. A free trial in safety. Just once, though. You can't go there more than once. Using the free trial. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. Wow. That was a nice demo version, isn't it? Wasn't it? I hope you liked it. By the way, can you see my legs? You can see my legs. Wow. This is hot. Notice Mr. Universe confirmed. Yes, I am. I want his long hair, dude. Mr. Universe is like the best character in Steven Universe. He's like the best. Have you seen this guy's hair? Like, don't you dare disrespect his bald spot, because it makes him look really cool. We've seen any dislikes. Cool. It's not my crotch kid. Don't call it like that. That's weird. Damn boy, he's thick. This is the Techno cookie. It smells, that's for sure. Oh my god, it looks so good! What? That's insane! Yo, it looks great. Give me a sec. Here you go! Boys and girls, come hear my greeting. I hope you don't plan on sleeping. Yo! I don't think we overheated it. I think it's fine. It smells good. Are you gonna share the cookie with your family? Or will you explain why it looks like a pig in a crown? Oh, my family knows. My family knows everything. Knows everything about it. Yeah, Bug. We win this! We win this! This is scam. We win this scam. Okay. We win this! It's not, it doesn't sound like Techno. It's fine. Yes! I think down there, under itself, it's not fully cooked. Yeah, it's not fully cooked. We're gonna put it in there for like 10 minutes. Oh wait. I think this is it. If not, it's fine. Oh, Аккуратно. Let's see how it does. I think there's like a thin layer underneath. Yeah. Here, this is the layer that is like not cooked properly. I think it's cooked properly, just not that good. It tastes great. That's for sure. I know you don't want to be eaten, but you don't have any other choice. Look, this is Tila Manberg. You blew it up. But now, let me eat you. Yay! 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 Wait! We did it! Yeah, I just... I guess it looks okay. The crowd, just like the ones we did on the Christmas stream. It tastes delightful.